Security warning. For official use only. All individuals handling this information are required to protect it from unauthorized disclosure. This information should be disseminated on a need-to-know basis via controlled media, CD, mobile hard drive, paper, etc. Do not transmit this material via any unsecured email network. This document is a product of Critical Solutions International. It is not for public use, but is intended for use by authorized personnel. This information is not to be released without written authorization from Critical Solutions International. Destroy this material when no longer needed. PMCS item number 29. Interval before. Item to be checked or serviced. Exhaust. Procedure 1. Check for missing, damaged, or loose rain cap, exhaust pipe, or hardware. Equipment not ready available if exhaust leak or missing, damaged, or loose exhaust pipe, rain cap, or hardware. Procedure 2. Check fiberglass lagging for rips, tears, missing, or damage. Equipment not ready available if fiberglass lagging is missing or damaged. Refer to Husky 2G operator manual for additional information and procedures.